Hello YouTube. As you can see, I got Levitating Reaper. He's just chilling. He's been here overnight because he can be outside. He is great. He's really freaking big, but he's not the main focal point in this video. No. So as I was putting them together, I noticed he had he's an animatronic, so of course he's going to have this, but he has down here his button for the adapter, and he's got a step pad option. And he works on sensor, but it's so damn high. So you got to kind of like jump to turn him on almost. But he is really freaking cool though. He lights up like 8 different colors. I'm going to probably try the red or the blue. But I'm also, here's what we're going to do. Let me go to it. Yeah, so I ended up getting these from Spirit. The beam sensor activator. There's an emitter and a receiver. You hook up the receiver to the prop, and the emitter, I believe, takes batteries. I think they both do, and it says on the back, so you put them across from each other and you walk through it. It says it goes up to 20 feet, so that's cool. And the animatronic's just chilling right there. But you walk through it and it activates the prop. You walk through this basically. So it's kind of like a bridge almost, but these are really cool. I'm so glad Spirit came out with these because I'm going to be using one on her Emmeline. And probably him, Mr. Dark, because I might get another one, honestly. But as you can see, I'm going to be testing it on Levitating Reaper. I might actually get another one and but I can't talk, just to use it for him too for Halloween night. So when people are walking back here, it activates him and he's just talking and doing his thing. So yeah, this is always my cemetery area every year, this whole section right here, hence to why he's over here. But I'm going to connect this. Well, first I gotta put batteries in these, and then I'm going to connect the beam sensor to him, plug him in. It's clearly daylight, so you're not gonna see the cool lights. But that's fine. We're really just focusing on this in this video, just to see it work and see it, it should work on him. He has a step pad jack in his box, so it should work on him. So let's do this. So I got the batteries, and I'm gonna open this guy up. So let's do this. Okay, so here they are. They're actually much tinier than I expected, but that's fine. And here's the receiver and the emitter. So that's what you hook the prop up to, the receiver, and then the emitter. I'm pretty sure they both take batteries. So I'm gonna put the batteries in them and I'll get back to you. Okay, disclaimer before you get to anything else, I actually take AAA batteries. So I had some on hand. Yeah, so let's do this. Okay, YouTube, so I got them plugged in, as you can see. I also have the beam sensor connected to them, so I have them close to each other right now because I'm gonna wave my hand in between that little space, and that'll activate them because they got to be across from each other. It can be no more than 20 feet, I think it says on the instructions. So I'm gonna wave my hand in that distance right there, and then that should activate them. So let's do this. All right, so just gonna get my hand. There we go. And see, just like that, it will activate him. Now these can be as far, like I said, like 20 feet-ish, so they can be pretty far from each other. So there he goes talking. But I'm just in awe of this guy. He's so cool. You can see his lights too. But yeah, so let's try it again. No, so it's got to be, say, like, you know, you got to walk through the space. So, you know, here, and you'll hear a clicking noise from the receiver too. That's been helpful. I'm walking through and I'm like, did it activate? And then you hear a click, and then it will. So. And I'm testing this on a Home Depot animatronic. So, I mean, this can pretty much work on a newer, but I mean, pretty much anything, really. So, if you get something from Home Depot, you get something from Party City, it won't just work with Spirit props. So, it'll work with Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever, wherever you get an animatronic from. Like what retailer. So, now I'm moving it. Oh, it activated. I guess the receiver picked it up. So I have it a little, probably like 10 feet maybe. He's talking right now. He's talking up a storm. But I'm gonna end up walking through this. So let's do it. And then I'm gonna wait for the click. So here we go. Yep. There you go. So he activated the minute I walked through that. So side note, they have the cord at the bottom of the box and the other part is not flat, so I don't really know why that is, because you can't really stand it up to face the emitter. So I just leaned it on a rock, as you can see, but yeah, that's the only complaint I have about it. It's a minor one. It's nothing terrible, but oh, there he is looking around. He is fantastic, by the way. I know it's about these, but side note, he is great. I love this guy. I liked the witch they did a couple years ago, the one floating on the broomstick, but she was cool, or flying or whatever. But he's better. I have such a thing for Grim Reapers, so they're like my favorite entity, being, monster thing. So when they released it, or when this guy got like revealed at the Home Depot thing, when they revealed all the Halloween stuff, I fell in love with him. So, and then I saw what he did, and I'm like, yeah, I have to get him. So, but anyways, back to the peep sensor. I know I'm making it about the Reaper. I mean, technically, we're testing it on him, so yeah, I could. But, yeah, so I'm going to walk through this again, and then that should activate him. So let's do it. Yep. So, it works. It works. It works. So yeah, these things are fantastic. I'm gonna probably get a couple more of them because they're starting now to pop up in stores. So I think they're like, he keeps going. So I think they're like 25 bucks. Like I said, I work there, so I get a discount, but by all means, if you work there, use your discount. If you don't, use 20%, whatever they offer. So it's activating it. So yeah, these things are really good. I really like these things. Like I said, I'm going to be probably using it for Emmeline. I'm going to probably get another one too. Maybe I'll use one for Mr. Dark. Because I was wondering, how was I going to... Because last year when I got Emmeline and well, I've had Mr. Dark, but when I got Emmeline, I'm like, how the hell am I going to activate her? I ended up just putting her on sensor and just clapping and she activated. But yeah, Spirit came out with these this year, and they're a game changer for sure. They're great. So let me try it one more time just to show you guys with my hand. Come on, there you go. Yeah. So once you hear a click from the receiver, that means it's activated the prop. So, and then the prop will go, as you can see. So, yeah, these are really freaking cool. Yeah, these are definitely a game changer for sure. Because step pads are fine. I mean, they don't work half the time, but they're okay. Then I know they came out with the multi-prop remotes, and they've been kind of a thing. But I actually have the multi-prop remote. I just don't know where. I might get a new one if I want to. But yeah, they have those where you click the button, you connect each letter to a prop, and you hit that letter, and it activates the prop. But those are cool. If you have like a jumping spider or something and you want to scare somebody on your porch or something, I don't know. But yeah, but these are great. I really love these. So let's do it one more time just to show you. So I just wave my hand between that space and he goes. So yeah, these are fantastic. And like I said, this guy's a Home Depot prop. So if you have a Home Depot animatronic, I know Home Depot's big in the Halloween retail game now. So if you want to get these and use it on, like, I don't know, Captain Cuts or Lethal Lily or something, it'll work for sure. It's not just Spirit props, you can tell. But yeah, so these are great. I think, yeah, like I said, they're $25. If you can, use a coupon. Or, like I said, if you work there, use your employee discount, like I did. But, yeah, these are fantastic. He is fantastic. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. I have more content coming out soon. So, probably more product reviews. I'm going to start setting up my display, actually. I got to get tombstones out here and my archway that you saw in my video last season that I built. So I'll have that all up. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys later. Let's do it one more time for the end. Come on, there you go.